This is the Lone Creator YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by opening the exact control for the feature. Right-click an empty area on the taskbar and look for News and Interests or Widgets. Once the menu appears, hover to reveal options. This matters because different Windows builds label the feature differently. Make sure you're using an account with local admin or standard settings. Some managed environments hide controls. If you see Turn Off directly, select it now. Otherwise, choose the sub-menu to access display preferences. Next, you change the display setting to off by selecting the appropriate option in the submenu. Choose Turn Off under News and Interests, or open Widget Settings and toggle Show on Taskbar off. This step removes the visual element and stops live updates, which reduces distractions and network use. If the option is grayed out, check Group Policy or System Updates. Meanwhile, restart Windows Explorer to force the UI to refresh so the taskbar no longer shows the feed. Finally, verify the taskbar no longer displays news or the widget's icon. You should see a clean taskbar. If the feed returns or the toggle won't stick, open Task Manager and restart Windows Explorer to apply changes immediately. Make sure Windows updates are installed, since older builds behave differently. One key troubleshooting tip: if the option is enforced, check Group Policy on Windows Pro or Enterprise. Navigate to Group Policy Editor and search.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.